Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So before unboxing the USB cable, let me introduce just on Amazon, it is a lightning deal is going on, as you can see, of 249. So you can avail this offer. I will give you the link in the description below. From there you can avail this offer, okay? And please use that link and order it if you are searching for a boat USB cable, like it is a 1.5 meter. So please use the link in the description below, where you can avail the offer and you will get this USB cable in just 249 rupees. It will also help me to grow up this channel. So let's unbox it now. Alright, so today I'm going to unbox the boat rugged USB cable which I have received yesterday. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the invoice, and this is the micro USB cable which I have received. Both plug into Nirvana. So this is the rugged V3 micro USB cable, and you are getting 2-year warranty on this cable, and also it is 1.5 meters. So let's check it out inside, and here it is nothing much. Okay, so MRP is 799, but I have ordered it in just only 250 rupees, but it was in offer. Okay, so, but regular price is 300, so you can get it on Amazon anytime in 300 rupees. If you can avail the offer, it is of 250. So let's check it out inside. Oh, let's check it out. Anything else in the box? Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is the warranty card. Yes, okay, you are getting 2-year warranty, and that is a lot, right? Let's see the wire. Wire is really tough, and I think it is unbreakable. Can you see the premiumness? Yeah, this is really tough. All right, so here it is. Let's check it out. It is 1.5 meter or not? Yeah, it is quite long, so it is easy to use, and the it is of plastic, but it is very hard plastic. Can you see that? So this is it. If you are really going, what happen generally at this point, the wire get breaks down, and then you are facing problem while charging. So this is really tough. If you really want to go with a durable USB cable, then you should buy this from Amazon, and it will cost you 300, right? So this is all, and you are also getting 2-year warranty, and here is the warranty card. You just have to give a missed call or email on their email ID. So that is all guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.